Welcome.
Learn Chinese online. Easy to read and learn. Lesson number
1.
Crate by Singh. Subscribe and bell icon my YouTube channel. Let's start.
Hello. Ni hao. Hello. Ni hao. How are you? Ni hao ma. How are you? Ni hao ma. I am fine, good. Wo hen hao. I am fine, good. Wo hen hao.
About you.
Ni na.
About you.
Ni na.
I am also fine, good. Wo yi hen hao. I am also fine, good. Wo yi hen hao. Vocabulary. Let's start.
I me. Wo. You. Ni.
Are. She. You called what name? 你叫什么名字? You called what name? 你叫什么名字? I called Singh. 我叫 Singh. I called Singh. 我叫 Singh. Vocabulary. Let's start. What? Shen mi. Name. Mingzi. Called. Jiao. What do you want to drink? 你要一什么? What do you want to drink? 你要一什么? I want to a cup of tea. 我要一杯 chia. I want to a cup of tea. 我要一杯 chia. Milk. 牛奶. Juice. Guozi. Ghee. Bread. Mian bao. I want a bread. Wo yo yig mian bao. I want a bread. Wo yo yig mian bao. Vocabulary. Let's start. What? Shanma. Want. Yao. To drink. He. One.
E.
Crate by Singh. Subscribe and bell icon my YouTube channel.